All right, so for this activity, I love to teach this at the end of the year because it's just kind of fun. It's just kind of a fun activity, and you can probably find something around your house to play this song. So a lot of you will know this as the Cup song. If you're a fifth grader, you probably remember working on this last year. However, I have kind of changed the words that I use to teach this game. Um, if you have done this activity with me before, you'll remember the phrase such as clap, clap, bumblebee. Um, However, I have changed the words. And the reason why I changed the words is the new words that I'm using kind of actually follow along with the actions we'll be doing in the Cup song a little bit more than, say, clap, clap, bumblebee. That just follows along with the rhythm. So I've got my whiteboard right here, and here's the words that we're going to be using to kind of memorize this pattern, okay? So we're going to do something right now. We're going to read it through. I can't really read and hold it at the same time, so we're going to play a game to really memorize the pattern, and then we'll work on putting it all together. All right? So here we go. The pattern sounds like this. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Okay? Say that with me this time. Here we go. Ready? Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Think you got it? Let's try it one more all together. Ready? Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Okay? All right, so this is what I do. I'm going to put a line under each word. Give me just a second while I do that. And I'm going to erase words at a time, like one or two words at a time. And we'll see if we have the whole pattern memorized, all right? So you'll know that a word's supposed to go there because there will be a line underneath it, okay? So notice how I've just put lines underneath every single word now. All right. So I'm going to start by taking off the word clap. So every time we see the word clap written, we're going to have to memorize it, right? So I'm just going to erase every single clap. See if you can still say the pattern with me now. Ready? I know my whiteboard's a little dirty, but that's okay. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Good. All right. This time I will take away the word down. Anytime I have down written up here, well, luckily it was only 2, right? Okay, ready? You think you can still do it with me? Here we go, whole thing. And even though there's no words here, that we're practicing memorizing it, all right? So here we go. Ready, set, and here we go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. You got it? Good. All right, table's gone. Now we're going to take away table. Wow, not many words left, but actually soon this whole thing will be blank, all right? So see if you can do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Did you get it? Okay. Couple more words. Let's take off up and top. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Did you get that? Okay. Let's see. There's only 3 words left. Do you think we can take all 3 of them away and say the whole thing? Let's try it. Let's try it. Once we get into the pattern, I will put a little picture of the pattern up so we can reference it, but let's see if we have the whole thing memorized now, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Did you get it? One more time. Let's see if we really have it memorized. Ready? Go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, and down. Good. Did you get it? Hopefully we're pretty comfortable with that now. All right. Now that we've really learned the words for that pattern, I'm going to scoot this down a little bit more. So you should be able to see this cup here. All right. These are the same cups that I've used for our guessing game. So any kind of plastic cup will work really great for this. I'll let you kind of figure out why you wouldn't want to use a glass cup for this activity. Well, I'll tell you why. Because it might break, right? Okay, so now I will put the words up here or here, I don't know where, but somewhere. Okay, here's what all those words mean. Clap means clap. Ready? Clap, clap. And when we say table, we just tap the table. So clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Okay, here's kind of the tricky part. Here's the third line. Clap, sweep. Okay, try that with me. Clap, sweep. Okay, so here's the third line. Clap, sweep. And when I say top, I'm going to touch the top of the cup to my hand and then put it back on the table. And then I say bottom, hand down. When I said bottom, notice how I put the bottom of the cup in my hand. Bottom, hand down. Okay? So those last two lines are the kind of tricky ones. Clap, sweep, touch the top of the cup, top, table, bottom, hand down. So if I put the whole thing together, it sounds like this. And I'm going to start slow, and then we'll speed up. Ready? Here it is. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. Okay? So really, if you need to go back and rewind and watch the last two lines, do that. I'm going to do the whole thing one more time. If you're ready, try it out with me. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, and down. So remember, when we're saying top, we're talking about the top of the cup, and when we're saying bottom, we're talking about the bottom of the cup. One more time, then we'll try it a little faster. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table. Clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. So really that clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. That's really the tricky part. Okay, now you can try to teach this activity to people in your family. Something that's fun, something that I do when we're in class, is we actually try this in like a circle. So when we do bottom, hand down, I'm actually passing the cup to the next person. So if you want to try that in a circle, that might be kind of fun. Now just keep in mind that this is kind of a challenging activity. So some of you might be comfortable just doing, say, the first two lines. You could do, just make a pattern out of that, just using the first two lines. That would look like this. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. 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 So if that's where you're at, if that's where you're comfortable, that's great, all right? Don't worry about getting the whole thing if that's not comfortable for you. The point of this is to have fun, not to have too much of a challenge, all right? So let's do the whole thing one more time. And I'll repeat it. Let's repeat it 3 times, and I'm going to do it a little bit faster this time. I'm not going to do it at full speed yet. I'll let you experiment with that, but we'll do it like 3 times in a row, faster than we have tried it yet in this video, okay? So here's our tempo. 1, 2, and ready, go. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. One more. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, turn, top, table, bottom, hand down. It's kind of a tongue twister. I kind of lost track there at the very end. Okay, so go ahead and work with that pattern. If you need to, rewind the video, watch the whole thing again. I think that would be more helpful than me explaining things more. But start with memorizing the pattern, the words, then think about all the different actions. Remember, clap, sweep, When I do that, I do a clap and then turn my hand upside down to pick up the cup. It makes the transition a little easier rather than if I do this clap, sweep. Here, you can't see that. So I'm turning my hand upside down. It's like clap, sweep, rather than clap, sweep, top, table, bottom. That's tricky. So don't do it like that. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand down. Okay? All right. I will also put a link to the song that this pattern goes with. It's a song called The Cup Song from a movie called Pitch Perfect. Below you will also find a ukulele play along, so if you have a ukulele at home, you might want to try that out. All right, have fun with this, friends, and I will talk to you all soon.